Hello and welcome to the Disneyland Paris vlog. Yes, I'm just jumping in here to put a disclaimer before the video starts, but just beware, this is not like a normal vlog because it's kind of just a whole bunch of footage from my most recent trip that I've all just stitched together because I didn't film that much. So it's not like a normal vlog, but you will still get everything you need to know about Disneyland Paris. So without further ado, let's go.
Hello, welcome to Manchester Airport, where today, if you can't tell by my top, we're heading to Disneyland Paris, or we're heading to Paris, France, on board Air France. I'm already through security, in departures, like literally we're about to, well not about to board, we're about an hour and 20 minutes or something till we board, an hour and 15. Oh yeah, weather update, the weather is truly miserable. There's actually like a storm. Let me double check what my phone says about this storm. Storm Floris, yeah, that's the one. Here is the old weather forecast. I don't know, hopefully you can see that decently well. Could be a bit windy, but our plane right now so we have an Embraer E190, 22 minutes away, just started descending. Anyway, let's go explore Terminal 2. So Terminal 2 at Manchester have recently just opened, and in fact, it was a week ago today, last Monday, which I'm going to go ahead and show you right now. You can see they've actually still got some of the balloons on from when it opened last week. The Starbucks you can see right there. And the Lego shop, yes that's right, we've got a Lego shop in Manchester Airport Terminal 2 now. And there's also Rituals, Pandora, and then another duty-free section. Over on the other side there's Joe the Juice and Upper Crust. Great view of the cafe. Oh my goodness! The cafe dwarfs it! So it's so low down that I need to go downstairs to get onto the bridge. Okay, right, here we are. We are on board our Air France flight. Current time is 20 to 12. Scheduled departure time was 10 to 12. So I think everybody is on board now. No one has come on for quite a while. So we will be off to Paris Charles de Gaulle soon. Of course, we'll get you the takeoff footage, and we'll do a little plane tour. This plane is very small. Right, let's roll the footage. Here we go. Let's get to Paris.
There's a song in every memory.
Today's flight was on board a 16-year-old Air France Embraer E190 that was operated by their HOP subsidiary. It took us out of Manchester before an immediate left turn to fly overhead Birmingham. We then passed to the west of London before crossing the English Channel and starting our descent onto runway 26 left at Paris Charles de Gaulle. Flight time today was 1 hour and 3 minutes with a top ground speed of 606 miles per hour. Right, hello, welcome on board this Air France flight, or HOP flight AF1669 over to Paris Charles de Gaulle. We are now airborne. And we can actually see out the window at long last. There's more than just clouds there. God, that took a long time to get off the ground. I think we just reached cruising altitude heading over probably about London or something. All seems to be good so far. They came round and gave everybody a little free sandwich thing, 2 pieces of bread and a piece of cheese in the middle, pretty much. Free drinks on board Air France, make sure you take advantage of that. I'm pretty sure that includes alcoholic beverages as well, I think. The leg room for a 6'1" me is pretty adequate, as you can see. It's what is the perfect amount for me. The seats are very short, so I don't actually have a place to rest my head back properly. My head actually goes above the top of the seat. But other than that, this flight is absolutely fantastic so far. Okie dokie, right. We are now, we're coming through the cloud level. We are approaching Paris Charles de Gaulle. I'm pretty sure we're coming in over Disneyland Paris as well. So you never know. We might be able to get an absolutely splendid view. Never seen it from the air before, so it could be a good view, depending if these cars decide they want to budge.
Tears serenading the years like an orchestra that lives inside of us. Feel the music come alive when you
Oh my goodness. Yeah, literally, oh my goodness. My goodness. Well, welcome to Paris Charles de Gaulle, everyone. Ubers.
bicycle of a nightmare. But you know, it doesn't matter because we're walking into Disney now. Take a look right behind me. You can see the balloon. Welcome to Disneyland Paris. Just made the walk in and now we're about to head into Disneyland Park.
This chamber has no windows and no doors, which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out.
Okay, here we are on Main Street, USA, waiting for
Disney Tales of Magic. Magic lives inside us all.
La véritable magie se trouve en chacun de nous. Alors partez à sa recherche et répandez-la autour de vous.
Find your magic, embrace it, and pass it on. Because the most powerful magic is the magic you share.
Okay, Disney Tales of a Magic. Okay, that's not even. It was a fantastic. With the Main Street productions, it was absolutely incredible. I've been awake since 5:30 this morning. It's now 11. I'm very tired. It's home time. Goodbye.
It's see. Yeah, it shows us how to love. It's the heart of everything. Forever, let's sing as one.
Alrighty, let's take a look at the brand new world, well it's not that brand new anymore, world premiere entrance into Walt Disney Studios. I haven't been in here yet, so I am rather excited to see what they've done with this area. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness. Take a look around. Wowzers. Right here you can see the Hollywood Gardens restaurant. That sign at the end, the world premiere sign, is absolutely, or the Disney Theatre sign, sorry, is absolutely beautiful. Ah, this Hollywood Gardens looks fantastic. Right, they've done a very, very good job with this.
You know what the shops in Disneyland.
And this has all changed as well. There is so many less walls than last time I was here. This is fantastic. Taking a look back at the World Premiere building, you have the Mickey and Walt Park statue. And then in the distance, you can see the North Mountain. World Premiere Plaza opening up into Adventure Bay, and then at the very end and over the lake we can see World of Frozen in the distance. From what the pictures I've seen, is the progress is going along absolutely excellently for opening next year. Of course, also on this road stretch in front of us will be Maypon's Tangled Spin, as well as an up-flying carousel attraction. The up-flying carousel attraction will open after the expansion a few years down the line, as well as the Lion King land will also be in that direction. That's what you can see through the gap, by the way, so not much. Here we are in Walt Disney Studios Park, next to the entrance for the Theatre of the Stars, where currently, as it stands right now, Alice in the Green Park is performing 3 times per day. That's up until September, I believe. Exact stuff's on the screen now, I can't remember off the top of my head. This whole area, to imagine when all these walls are gone, and this is all going to be part of the expansion. I'm not sure whether you're going to access the expansion from this area, but really altogether it will be part of the massive Walt Disney Studios expansion, which, I was just I got goosebumps looking at World of Frozen just before. I am so excited for that to open. Today we have been to Paris. We got the RER line A from Money Valley Jersey Station. Did a whole day in Paris. Now we're back here in the park. Oh, that's only slightly ominous. The tower looming over the top of these walls. There's another thing I want to go and look at actually, which is the model of the expansion. The park closes in 20 minutes, so we're going to quickly leg it around to that model. We'll have a look at the model. I think we missed the model.
Walt Disney Studios Park is now closing. We hope you have enjoyed your day with us, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Have a safe trip home and
Alright, here we are inside the Video Place Theatre, which is being used for the Disney Music Hits concert. Or right now, actually, it's being used for Disney Performing Arts, but later on, the Disney Music Hits concert, which hopefully we will be seeing.
Let the magic shine, la magie brille en toi. Feel the music of the
unstoppable. Oh, it's so magical. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come on and celebrate with music every day. Whoa, whoa.
Thank you so much for watching this video of my trip to Disneyland Paris. I can't wait to share even more of it with you, like that beautiful, incredible, fantabulous fireworks show, Disney Tales of Magic. That was the absolute highlight of the trip for me. It was truly, truly incredible. If you have enjoyed and you want to see some more Disneyland Paris content, as well as Walt Disney World content for that matter, then be sure to drop a like and maybe even subscribe while you're at it. You know, it helps me out a lot, and it'll make sure you get the stuff on your page that you want to see. Be sure to let me know in the comments what your favourite part of Disneyland Paris is, and anything that you want to see on the channel in the future. So apart from that, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you real soon.